What's up, YouTube? Back to me again with another unboxing for you guys. And today I got a new Adidas F50 Hyperfast EVO firm ground in a neon yellow, black, and I'm a size 10 US. So the box for this new F50 is just very new with like a transparent box. With an F50 on the top. As you can see, the inside it's gonna slide out like this, and inside it will gives you a string bags in orange, neon yellow, or hyper punch string bags. You have the words F50 on the front with the Adidas logo. Then the cleats themselves, take them out of the box, and then box away. And here you go, guys. This is the new Adidas F50 Hyperfast EVO in a firm ground variations. So this pair is just 130 grams, which is super light. It got the iconic like 3 stripes, which make the statements of the Adidas, and also with like the hyper lightweight LX plate with like very like minimal studs, which create like a F50 speed system EVO outsole support for like rapid accelerations. And then you got this it's called Halo Shell Super SL mesh upper, which delivers like feather light feel, and it's very soft, as you guys can see when I try to press down. It's super thin, super soft, and it's also reviews like the inner constructions, if you guys can see through it. Inside you got the big F50 logo inside, outside too, but in just which is like the outline for the F50 in orange. And then the Halo Cage TPU skin like responds sensitively to change in directions, which like supports a lot in the dynamic movements and also the fast footwork. I would recommend going through the size. The lockdown is good. We got like very thin upper, thin tongue. The heel area is good too. Here's the inside of it. Got the F50 like Strike Pro insole, which is very thin insole. It's the outsole of it. The plate is also very small compared to the Elite version to minimize all the weight. But yeah, that's it for my unboxing, guys. Don't forget to leave a like down this video and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys. Peace.